माननीय सदस्यगण, देश की जनता चाहती है कि सदन चले।
Dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, PM Abhim program, and I assure you that this will be completed.
सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री,
Sir, this PM Abhim program is a program for creating for the generational reforms and also strengthening the health services delivery and strengthening the health systems and institutions. It provides a quality service for the primary health care, for the secondary health care, and for the tertiary health care. Accordingly, it is PM Abhim program is to respond to the pandemics and create a situation where we are able to prepare ourselves effectively to respond the pandemics and disaster. Sir, here I would like to say that there are 5 activities in PM Abhim program. Number 1 is strengthening the Aam Arogya Yojana, Aam Arogya Mandir. For that, it is decided that after the survey, 17,788 building-less sub-centers have to be equipped and buildings have to be constructed for Ayushman Arogya Mandir. The same way, it has been decided that approximately 11,024 health and wellness centers or Ayushman Arogya Mandir, which we have to focus and see to it that they are strengthened, updated. We know that these Arogya Mandirs are being run in the rented accommodation, but at the same time we have decided to give them full facilities and strengthen them. Sir, the third is about the CHC, that is the block public health units. We have decided that 3,382 block public health units will be strengthened, which we also call as CHC. So the fourth area where we are trying to work is that we will be establishing 730 integrated public health labs, and more or less in each district we will be having an integrated public health labs. And the last area which we are trying to strengthen is that we will be creating 602 critical care blocks for the population more than 5 lakhs in the district. Sir, in PM Abhim program, there is a framework which is being implemented through National Health Mission. Here I would also like to state that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare only gives the technical and the financial support. The rest is to be implemented by the state government, and these facilities have to be implemented by the state government. Sir, here I would also like to share with you that nearly the total amount sanctioned in PM Abhim program is 64,180 crores. And here, at this point of time, the will be established. We have also decided that 30 integrated public health labs and 30 critical care blocks will be constructed in the state of Karnataka. So, sir, nearly 30 districts will be strengthened for the betterment of the health services, technically also, and to respond to the disasters and pandemics. Sir, administrative approvals have been given, and I would like to share that 1,168 crores for strengthening of the 817 Ayushman Arogya Mandir and 21 integrated public health labs and 21 care blocks as per proposal of the state has been approved by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So, sir, there has been a survey done by the government, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, along with us, the state government, and accordingly a target has been set, which we are implementing under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, PM Abhim program, and I assure you that this will be completed in the time limit.
माननीय सदस्यगण, देश की जनता चाहती है कि सदन चले और कई माननीय विद्वानों ने भी लिखा है कि संसद चलना चाहिए, चर्चा संवाद होना चाहिए। सहमति असहमति हमारे लोकतंत्र की ताकत है। मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं, जनता की भावनाओं और उनकी आशाओं आकांक्षाओं के अनुसार आप सदन चलने में सहयोग करें। आज महत्वपूर्ण विषय स्वास्थ्य और महिलाओं पर प्रश्नकाल में चर्चा हो रही है। प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है। मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है और देश की जनता लगातार माननीय सांसदों के बारे में, संसद के बारे में, अपने बारे में चिंता व्यक्त कर रही है। इसलिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि सदन चलाने दें। सदन आपका है, सदन सबका है, देश भी चाहता है संसद चले। मैं आग्रहपूर्वक करता हूं आप जाएं। मैं आपको हर विषय, हर मुद्दे पर नियम प्रक्रियाओं के तहत चर्चा करने का पर्याप्त अवसर दूंगा। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है। प्रश्नकाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 श्री अजय कुमार मंडल। श्री अजय कुमार मंडल।